This will be a video on a 2023 new unused AGT industrial QH12 mini excavator. Can have a Briggs & Stratton gas engine. Take a look at that. Some pictures. Here's a little look at it right there. No hours. I say new, unused. Backfill blade, thumb, auxiliary hydraulics. Plumb in something there. Got lights, little toolbox. Let's see what's in the toolbox here. We got like a grease gun and stuff. Let's take a look here. Yeah, grease gun, couple tools, little manual. Alright, we'll take that, put it back in the middle. This will be inside at checkout, so if you don't see it on here, ask them in the office and get you dialed in. Jump on and run it around. Say brand new unused. Put some gas in her. Ready to roll. Just one-handed. That way. Pretty fast little machine. Figure out how tiny it is. Back it out. Forward, backwards, turn. Oh, a little bit. Go take it over here with the rest of its family. Anyways, come check it out. It'll be preview day August 25th for this one. Auction August 26th, 7 p.m. Alright, catch you on next one.